5 Best Strength Training Exercises for Beginners. Number 1. Squats. Our experts agree squats are the best strength training exercises for beginners in terms of bang for your buck. Squats not only work your legs, but your core and upper body. 2. Stand with your feet slightly wider than your hips, feet facing forward. Look straight ahead with your arms out in front of your body. With chest out, shoulders back, and abs tight, slowly lower your butt down as far as you can. Make sure your knees do not push forward past your toes. Weight should be in your heels, not your toes. Return to starting position without rounding your back as you stand and complete 15 to 20 reps. Number 2. Push-ups. There are a million push-up variations to meet any beginner at their comfort level. Bullock says to start in a plank position with arms extended and then lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor. Keep your body in a straight line with elbows close to your sides and then push yourself back up. Strive for as many reps as possible. Number 3. Planks. Some of us love to hate them, but they accelerate strength throughout your body, whether you do them from your hands, sides, or forearms. Place your body in a push-up position, arms shoulder width distance apart. Hug your belly toward your spine to engage your core so it doesn't drop down or stick up in the air. Stack shoulders over wrists and heels over ankles. Hold for 30 seconds, working up to a few minutes over time. Number 4. Deadlifts, either single leg or from a standing position, help keep your ankles, knees, hips, and lower back happy, experts say. They also allow you to increase strength for heavier lower body lifts down the road. Number 5. Rowing. Almost everyone sits at a desk for their job, and our back muscles weaken as we hunch over our computers, experts says. A row of some sort, cable row, body weight, bent over, will give you better posture and prevent upper back and shoulder tightness in the long run. Thanks for watching.